let's do our final step of adding documentation to the code base. Our AI assistant is great for that. It can automate the creation of comprehensive documentation based on existing code, whatever user stories. It can generate Swagger documentation from our APIs. It could help us update our READMEs. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to our chat window and say, could we add documentation to this text file? But I would like to focus more on UI comments and make sure future maintainers can easily add adjustments if necessary. I'm going to let that fire. Sure, I'll add some concise documentation to the test to help future maintainers understand the logic and the purpose of the tests. Beautiful. Let's take this. We're going to copy and paste it. And then we're going to run our test just to make sure everything passed still. Or when we review the comments. Okay. Parameterized tests for different item types and their expected behavior. Love it. Normal items degrade in quality by 1, so it's letting our future maintainers know what they are going on. A special test case here for the quality is never negative. Information about age degree, our sulfurous, special cases around our backstage passes, some additional age degree test cases, which I'm going to move those up to all by each other. Normal items degrade in quality 2. I'm going to move this up too, because I feel like that is important. We'll just keep everything co-located together. And then our conjured items degrade quality twice as fast as normal items. And then we got some kind of PyDoc style documentation about the individual attributes, the individual inputs of the function, and what they are expected to do. Now let's move on to the Gilded Rose file. Can you create similar documentation for the Gilded Rose file? So certainly add concise documentation in Gilded Rose class and its methods to help future maintainers understand the logic and purpose of the code. All right, let's copy all that, paste it on over. As always, we're going to run our test first, and we're still passing. And let's look at what it added. The Gilded Rose class is responsible for updating the quality and selling values. That's beautiful. It gives us what the init does, initialize the Gilded Rose kata with a list of items. It tells us the update quality. Update the quality and selling values of items in the inventory. That makes sense. Update sell-in, and we get similar PyDoc style documentation for all of our functions. And with that, we properly documented our code, helping assist future maintainers be more productive in our code base.